Did you know that eating fish is protective to your kidneys? Welcome our dear viewers to this platform, Health Tips and Tricks, and I'm your physician, Dr. Andrew, to take you through. If you are new to this channel, kindly subscribe so that you can continue receiving our videos and learning more about your health so that you live a healthy and fruitful life. Previously, we have been talking about the kidneys and what is good for your kidneys and also what is detrimental for your kidneys and some of the things that can lead you to get kidney disease. So today we are going to talk about the foods that are good for your kidneys. Or if you already have kidney disease, what foods are you supposed to eat? What foods are you supposed to include in your diet so that you live a healthy life despite the kidney disease? So we are going to see that the foods you need, first of all, should be foods that constitute a balanced diet, a well-balanced diet. They should be nutritious, rich in protein, rich in vitamins, and also rich in other nutrients that you need for your body, minerals. However, they should be having low sodium content, low potassium content, and low phosphate or phosphorus content, because as we saw previously in our video on the foods that are detrimental to your kidneys, and if you missed it, you can check on our channel and catch up with us. These foods are not good because your kidney handles these electrolytes, and once your kidney is sick, the handling ability is lost. Therefore, you should reduce intake of these salts. So these are the foods that are really good for your kidney. One, we have tofu. Tofu is a common food, especially among our friends from Asia. And this food has been shown that it is good for your kidneys. It is low in sodium, potassium, and phosphate, and also has the necessary nutrients for you to have healthy kidneys. Then we have cheese, especially cheese that's low in phosphorus. For example, goat cheese. For example, Swiss cheese and brie. These are low in phosphate and they are good for your kidneys because they are very nutritious. Then we have alternatives to milk, milk alternatives. For example, oats, soy, and rice. These are alternatives to milk, soy, and they can also be good for your kidneys because they are quite nutritious. Remember, we said milk was rich in phosphate, so you want to avoid it when you have kidney disease. Then you have healthy oils, especially oils from vegetables. For example, olive oil, sesame oil. These are also good for your kidneys because they have quite good reserves of energy, and then they are vegetable oil. They are safe. They don't have the bad oils which we talked about previously that can be detrimental to your kidneys, your heart, and your cardiovascular system. And then we have fish. Fish, as we have all known, is a food which is rich in nutrition. It has proteins, it has omega-3 oils that are protective to your heart and your cardiovascular system. And this has also been shown to be very good for the kidneys because it is also low in sodium, phosphate, and potassium, and can be a very good food and replacement to your to have in your diet to protect your kidneys and reduce disease progression if your kidneys are already sick. Then you have certain fresh fruits like strawberries, blueberries, apples, pomegranates, and some of these fruits have low potassium content, and that's why they are recommended and they are good for kidney disease because they are rich in essential vitamins and yet have low contents of the minerals that are detrimental in kidney disease. Then we have beans, which can be a good source of protein in kidney disease. These are also healthy. Now, there are certain foods which are really good for the body and even for the kidneys, but they have certain detrimental bits to them. For example, peanut butter. Peanut butter is a good source of plant-based protein, and it can be a good substitute of meats in kidney disease. However, important to note, it is rich in oxalate, and oxalate can lead to formation of crystals that can lead to kidney stones. So we should eat it in moderation. Chocolate. Dark chocolate is very good because it is rich in antioxidants that will protect your kidneys and also prevent progression of kidney disease once your kidneys are already affected. But what's the catch? What's the catch? The catch is dark chocolate is rich in sugar. So you should also take it in moderation, but it is good for your kidneys because of its antioxidant effect. Eggs. Eggs are highly nutritious, a rich source of protein, but they will fit well into the renal diet. So these are foods which you should include in your diet. Coffee. Coffee is also very good for your diet as a person who has kidney disease, or if you want to help reduce the risk of developing kidney disease. Coffee is very good for your health and your diet. However, it should not be taken in large quantities because, as we all know, once you have kidney disease, you should reduce your water intake and you shouldn't take in too much water because your kidneys cannot handle it effectively. I believe this list has helped us see some of the foods that we can recommend to our friends, loved ones, and relatives who have kidney disease, and also some of the diets we can eat to keep healthy bodies and reduce our chances of getting kidney disease. I remain your physician, Dr. Andrew. Thank you very much for your attention, and I hope this was helpful.